How to use iforgot.apple.com to unlock your Apple ID or reset Apple ID without password. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open your preferred web browser on a device. Here, let me just tap on the Safari. Once inside the Safari, in the search address bar, start typing iforgot.apple.com and navigate to its official website. Once in there, all you have to do is you will get to see reset password option available on your screen. Now confirm the reset password. You will get to see your Apple ID and your reset my password button available in the blue highlights. Tap on it, and as you may know, my security delay is open, so it will take an hour for me to reset my password. If you do not have security delay, then you can simply change your password within a few seconds, but my security delay takes an hour, so I can reset my password after an hour. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.